Maayong adlaw, everyone. Good day. Happy Thursday. Short video today. I don't have a lot of footage to share with you. Most of today was scheduled to work with our partner teachers or to work individually on our project that will be turning into Fulbright. I'm really lucky that Francia Rose, my teacher partner, is finished with her school year already, and so we were able to meet this afternoon and do an interview with one of the locals about making binignit. We'll be making it tomorrow morning now that we know the procedures and the ingredients. So we'll be showing you that tomorrow. This afternoon, room kapun, we did have a picnic on the shoreline, so that was really a nice change of scenery. It was really beautiful, good to have good conversations and good fellowship as well. I was able to take a walk through the neighborhood this afternoon. We often walk from our hotel to the elementary school, so this path has become quite familiar in the past week. Today's food of the day is banana pancakes. I forgot to take a picture until I was almost done eating, but they were delicious, and the word for banana in Cebuano is saging. And I think that's all I have for you today. Like I said, really short video, so I'll be catching you next time. Amping.